How's it going, everyone? Matt Roberts from Salt Lake City Bookkeeping. Today I'm going to do a quick video demonstration on how to edit or delete a QuickBooks deposit. I'm going to go over how to edit a deposit, fix an incorrect deposit, and then how do you deal with this undeposited funds account in QuickBooks. So if we switch over our sample company here, Vandelay Industries, first thing I'll show you how to do is edit a deposit. So if you go into your bank account and find a deposit, any deposit will do at this point, and you just right click on it, you can hit edit deposit. In this instance, I'm going to show you how to just change a deposit that was not done through invoicing. So you just saw something hit your bank and you coded it to sales. If you edit it like we do, you can change that account. Let's say you want a little more detail, and this was actually an import sale. So we'll code it to that and we'll hit save, and that just does that very easily for you. The undeposited funds deposit's a little bit different, and that is the deposit that's done through invoicing, receiving payments, and recording deposits. That's a standard procedure in QuickBooks, and when you handle things that way, which you probably should in a lot of cases, it's going to put that into undeposited funds. I have a separate video on explaining the undeposited funds account and how it works. In this instance, I'm going to show you how to get rid of, let's say that this deposit was done incorrectly. We can edit the deposit, and if we try and change it to that sales like we did, QuickBooks gives us this error that you can't do this because it was done through invoicing and received payments. So you need to delete the payment from the deposit, go to the original payment, and then redeposit the payment. So we'll do that now. What it's telling you to do is delete this deposit. And a lot of people get scared with this step because they think it's out of QuickBooks completely, but it's not. What happens is QuickBooks will then just kick this back into the deposited funds window. So if we go here to record deposits, we'll see our payment there. Let's say that this was either applied to the incorrect customer or invoice or whatever. We can go find this payment to Kruger Industrial Smoothing on 7/11. So what we'll do is go into the customer center under Kruger, and we see this payment on 7/11. You can then drill into it, and you can save it to a different customer, or maybe what we want to do in this case is say, hey, that was applied to the wrong invoice. We actually need to apply it to this invoice, and hit save and close. All that's changed is how that payment's applied, and you can just go ahead and record that deposit per normal, and it goes back into your bank. So I'll just show you that real quick. So it's back in here, applied to the correct invoice. So just a real quick video demonstration there on how to edit and delete a QuickBooks deposit. If you have a question on this or anything QuickBooks or bookkeeping related, feel free to reach out. Have a good day.